Look at yourself for a moment. Yeah, I know. Right now. You probably feel like a mess, beaten down, hurt, broken by the world. Life's done a number on you, hasn't it? All those people you trusted, the ones who promised to have your back, they're gone now. They left you behind like you were nothing. But here's the truth. They're watching you. Oh yes, they are. Don't think for a second that they've forgotten about you. They're waiting to see if you'll stay down, waiting to see if the weight of everything will finally crush you. But you know what they're terrified of? You getting back up, because when you do, and trust me, you will, you won't just stand. You'll rise, and you won't be the same person they tried to destroy. You'll be something stronger, something unstoppable, something they can't even comprehend. Why they tried to break you? They saw something in you, something they didn't have, a fire, a potential, a spark that scared the hell out of them, and instead of supporting you, they tried to put it out. They tried to bury you, thinking that would be the end. But here's the thing about being buried. Seeds are planted in the dirt. And you're about to grow. You're about to rise up like nothing they've ever seen before. Your scars are proof. You survived. Let's talk about those scars you carry, the emotional ones, the mental ones, even the physical ones. I know you look at them and see pain. But let me tell you something. Those scars are not signs of weakness. They're proof you survived. Every scar is a battle mark, a trophy from a fight you didn't think you'd make it through, but you did. Wear them with pride because they're part of your story, a story that isn't over yet. You think you're broken? No, you're rebuilding. And when you're done, you'll be stronger than you've ever been. You'll be unbreakable. They want you to stay down. The people who hurt you, who left you behind, they're hoping you'll give up. They want you to stay in the dirt, to crumble under the weight of what they did to you. But let me ask you this. Are you really going to give them that satisfaction? Hell no. When you get back up, when you rebuild yourself, they're going to have to sit there and watch you rise. And they're not going to like it. They're going to hate it because your strength is going to remind them of their own weakness. God's not done with you yet. You think this is the end of your story. Not even close. God's been watching and He's about to do something incredible in your life. Ever hear the saying, God will prepare a table for you in the presence of your enemies? That's what's happening right now. He's rebuilding you piece by piece in the open where everyone can see. And when He's done, oh man, those same people who tried to destroy you are going to be choking on their regret. Pain makes you stronger. I'm not going to lie to you, this is going to hurt. Growth always does. But diamonds aren't made without pressure, and strength doesn't come without struggle. Every tear, every sleepless night, every moment you thought you couldn't take it anymore, that's all part of the process. You're being forged in the fire, and when you come out on the other side, you'll be unstoppable. Nothing will be able to break you again, not after this. This isn't just survival, it's your comeback. Here's the part they didn't see coming, your comeback. The world loves a good comeback story, and you're going to be the one they talk about for years, the one who was knocked down but refused to stay down. They thought they buried you, but all they did was give you the tools to rebuild. And when you do, you won't just survive, you'll thrive. You are more powerful than you know. Let me tell you something. The people who hurt you, who betrayed you, they're the broken ones. They tried to tear you down because they saw in you something they could never be. You had something real, something untouchable, and that scared them. But their destruction, it's temporary. Your rebuild, that's forever. The world will see your strength. When you rise, and you will rise, you're not just proving them wrong. You're proving yourself right. You're proving to that part of you that doubted, that thought it was too much, that you're stronger than you ever realized. And when you stand tall, rebuilt, renewed, and reborn, they'll have no choice but to sit there and watch. Watch you become everything they tried to take from you. Your time to rise is now. So what's it going to be? Are you going to stay down, let them win, let them think they broke you? Or are you going to get up, dust yourself off, and show them they didn't break you, they only made you stronger? The choice is yours. But let me tell you this, you have something inside you they could never destroy. You've got fire, grit, and determination. You've got the power to rise. Now go out there and do it. Show the world who you are. Show yourself who you are. This is your time, your moment. They thought they ended you. Prove them wrong. Rise. Rise now.